In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn a long-form YouTube video into short, shareable clips using an AI clipping tool. This is a simple workflow that can save a lot of time, especially if you want to create YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or other vertical videos from content you already have. The goal is to take a longer video, let AI identify the most engaging moments, and then quickly refine those clips so they're ready to publish. To begin, select the long-form YouTube video URL you want to work with. This should be the full video you want to pull clips from. Before moving on, make sure you've chosen the correct video because the quality of your short clips will depend heavily on the source material. Videos with clear speech, strong pacing, and useful or entertaining moments tend to perform best when repurposed into shorter formats. Next, import that video into an AI clipping tool such as Opus Clip, Munch, or Vizard. These tools are designed to analyze long videos and automatically break them into shorter segments. Once you paste in the YouTube link and start the import process, the platform will usually take a little time to process the content. During this stage, the tool is identifying key moments, analyzing the spoken content, and preparing potential clips for social media formatting. After that, let the tool auto-generate highlights. This is where the AI does most of the heavy lifting. It will typically create several short clips based on what it believes are the strongest or most engaging sections of the video. Many of these tools also provide viral scores, which can help you quickly spot clips that may have better audience appeal. In addition, the tool will usually generate auto captions, which are especially important for short-form content since many viewers watch without sound at first. Once the clips are ready, review the generated short or reel layout carefully. Even though the AI saves time, it's still important to check the results manually. Look at how the video is framed in the vertical format, make sure the speaker or main subject stays visible, and adjust the caption placement so the text is easy to read and doesn't block important visual elements. This small step